giving gorgeous. It's giving you the sunny wine, everything that it should be. Woman, baby, it's giving woman.
We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible.
It's giving woman. Hey everybody, hi internets. I'm Ajani and I'm here with the cast of Charlie's Chicago on the 31st anniversary, and I'm here with Bella DeBalle, Queen. Hello, gay people. How's it going? Hello, gay people. I only say hi to gay people because heterosexuals have enough. And what happens when you interact with a heterosexual? Well, I normally demand $1 first. You charge a speaking fee. You're like, is this your girlfriend? Wait a minute, do you fuck her? Alright, $20. I live. Well, Bella, I first want to talk about, we're at Charlie's 31st anniversary. Charlie's has been here for 31 years. How long have you been with Charlie? So I am a little over 5 years of working at Charlie's, but I've been performing here for about 7. Because I started in the competition shows here. Okay, what was the first competition show? Erotica Pop's Popular. Okay. It was a Saturday night, and it was like 12 baby queens, drunk as fuck. I love. It was such a good time. Oh yeah. Well, speaking of tender, you've been here for 5 years, 7 years performing. Do you have a favorite moment that you've had at Charlie's Chicago? I don't want to say this is my favorite because that makes it sound bad, but it is my favorite. Okay. Luna La Katrina setting herself on fire. No, she did not. During our fire and ice ball, for New Year's Eve, like 2-3 years ago, we did a fire and ice ball. Okay, what? And Luna had a trick with pyrotechnics. Yes. And accidentally set her legs on fire. Which was. And she ran off stage and she said, hot, hot, hot. And we unzipped her dress and took it off of her. And then in her melted ass tights and her bra, went back out there and finished her number. Come on, professionalism. She said, I'm getting my $1 bills from this night. And that is what happens when you mix the drag queen with the firefighter, baby. Right. I was sitting over the side like, what do I do? Oh my God, bitch, I love. Well, also, Bella, you host several shows here at Charlie's, and a lot of people know who you are in the scene in general. What would you say is the biggest misconception about Bella DeBalle? About Bella DeBalle? Oh, what's a ball? Is it ball or ball? No, it's a ball. The ball. Like balls, like balls. The ball. Word. The ball. That's also a fun one. That's the biggest misconception. Because everybody's like, Bella DeBalle. I'm like, what does spelling look like to you? Well, yes, but aside from that, probably the misconception about Bella DeBalle is that she is just a drunk who remembers nothing. And let me tell you, I am an alcoholic who remembers everything. Well, I think also the cast of Charlie's, they love to be drinking. Oh, sure do. They love to be drinking. Also, you might not remember me calling you Bella DeBalle, so we love that. Well, that ball until this comes out, and then I'm going to be like, you know what? Fuck her. Fuck that bitch. Well, this cast is a drinking cast. I mean, we have Persephone, Pixel drinks, she drinks. Oh yeah, see, that's the thing. When the girls drink, they drink. So we don't fuck around. Oh, I love it. So I have a little bit of a couple cast superlatives for you. Okay. So, on the topic of being drunk, who is most likely to black out at Cedar Point? At Cedar Point? Sapphire. 1,000%. Sapphire is a party girl who smells alcohol and is like, I'm lit. Bitch, period. Okay, this was a little shady. Who is most likely to forget their words? Honestly, me. I'm surely, because I unfortunately cannot perform Celine Dion every single time. But Celine is an icon. Whenever I pull it out into a new star, I'm like, oh, I'll just kiss people and take money at this part. I mean, that is the best way to do it. How long have you been doing drag? And what is your favorite, or most proud moment in drag? Like, do you have like a highlight of your career and how long you've been doing it? Yeah, so I've been doing drag professionally for about 7 years. Oh, work, okay. I've been messing around with it in my bedroom for about 12. I think my most, like, my proudest moment would probably be performing, being flown out to TwitchCon in Las Vegas last year, performing on the main stage of TwitchCon with my dumb bitch bestie, Sudden Fisser. Come on, Sudden Fisser, shout out. To go out there and do a 7-minute karaoke mix that the audience went wild for. But it was in front of thousands of people, 17,000. It reached out to 17,000 people, bitch. We got paid a cute little coin for it, so I said, this cross-dressing really brought me somewhere. She said, the dressing up done something for me. Right, putting on this wig worked out. Just this wig. This one only. Just this wig. This one only. This only one. So you're also a theater kid, which is something that I really love about you. And you kind of transitioned into drag. What advice would you give to a theater kid who's thinking about doing drag and just doesn't really know how to go about it? Like, there's a big difference between, like, I think theater and drag. But what advice would you give to the little baby queen? My biggest advice is to weaponize your BFA. Weaponize it. Because they meant that as shady, but dead ass. We showed up with so many skills that the common person doesn't have because we went through vocal training, dance training, improv training. All the skills that you've been taught can lead you to a good career in drag. And people love to hate on the theater girlies, but try to clock it. Well, speaking of dance training, you just got done with like the most sickening Lady Gaga group number that I was like, I wish I didn't know you could do choreo like that. What is your favorite group number or duet that you've done here at Charlie's? Ooh, okay, so I love a lot of them. My favorite one though, just because I think it's like the cutest and the campiest. Okay, I love our Spice Girls number. Bro, everybody says Spice Girls. We never perform it because we try to think like high energy stuff. Yeah, but our Spice Girls number is the fucking tea. Work. I love that. So Bella, I know you do Twitch and you do TwitchCon, and I asked actually something the same question because Twitch is like one of the very like few untapped drag queen platforms. Like, not a lot. First of all, what advice would you give to a drag queen who's a gamer and wants to get on the Twitch? Honestly, I would say just go for it. I started Twitch over the pandemic with the panorama, girl, the pandemic Lovato, an iPhone camera and a flashlight taped to my like computer top to give me some nice lighting. And the streams were terrible, the quality was awful, but people just showed up to watch you do your thing. And as long as you have a way to be entertaining and nice and kind, it will take you so fucking far, not only on Twitch, but in life. And that is life advice from Miss Bella DeBalle. Sour, bitch. It's giving, well, I can't say that because I'm going to say it is giving Malcolm X. It's giving, but what's a white icon that's very wise? A white icon who is wise. So, it's giving Malcolm X. It's giving very like Maya Angelou. Like, but I don't know how. I'm having a really hard time thinking of wise white people. I'm gonna go off on a limb, and I'm gonna say it's giving Mary Cher. Oh. That's a wise white lady. It's giving Mary Celine Dion. That's a wise white lady. I know. We'll cut to that part. It's giving RuPaul. That's a wise white lady. I'm so done. Well, tell the kids where they can find you on the internets. Well, yes, you can find me on Instagram and Twitter at DeBalle Queen. That is DeBalle Queen. You can also find me on Twitch playing video games and live streaming at Bella DeBalle. And then you can find my alt Twitter if you know me. Uh-oh. The alt, baby, the alt. I don't post on it. I just follow a lot of porn. I'm so done. I repost a lot of good porn on my own. So it's a ghost Twitter. It's a ghost Twitter, yeah. Right. Well, thank you, Bella. Love you.